Hey guys, in this video I want to review the CyanogenMod 13 ROM here that comes with Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. I have installed it on my Samsung Galaxy S6 here, and you can see it's looking very nice, very promising. So first of all, it's a nightly, so if you install it, then you will see some bugs. I mean, definitely it's not what the finished product will look like, but it is really promising, and most of the stuff works absolutely fine. So it's actually the first ever AOSP ROM for Samsung Galaxy S6, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link to the tutorial down below in the description box, so you can check that out if you want to install it on your Galaxy S6 here. So let's just quickly go ahead and see. First of all, here, if we go into settings, about phone, you can see here Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow, and if I zoom in, for some reason it says model number G920F, but however my Galaxy S6 is G920i. You can see the baseband version, but doesn't matter, you know, it works absolutely fine. So if you have the G920F or G920i, you are good to go. You can install it. You can see here that 0FLDEXX is for G920i and the G920F. These two models are international models, unlocked, while you can also get this CyanogenMod 13 ROM on the international Galaxy S6 Edge, which has a name of 0LDEXX, so you can also get that, get it for the S6 Edge. But I don't have the S6 Edge, so I'm just gonna show it off on my Galaxy S6 normal variant. So first of all, you can see here it's looking very close to stock. You're not gonna see TouchWiz here, so they have this marshmallow style scrolling, but it's not like having white background and all that, so it's a little bit different. This is CyanogenMod's own customized app drawer, so you can also move your finger like this. If you want to open camera, you can move your finger to the C alphabet, and then you can launch the camera from there. So very nice way to interact. It's a lot more easier, and you can also hold down the screen. It will give you these options, for example, search bar, icon labels. You can also hide icon labels, and scroll wallpaper, grid size, and you can also enable fast scroll. I'm just gonna turn it off. Drawer color, it's you can turn it from light to dark or from dark to light, so I'm just gonna have it to light, and let's see here. And as you can see now, it's completely white and it's looking very bad, so I'm just gonna have it on the dark. I'm actually using a theme here. So yeah, you can change the apps how many apps you want to see in per row. You can also change the animation and all that in the settings here, so pretty nice. You can also turn on large icons. Now you can see we have a little bit bigger icons, more comfortable, looking more nice. So we got this nice notification, quick notification panel where you can see quick shortcuts. You can mess around with the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and all that. And you can also swipe to the left, and you can see these three new options here. And then also you can edit these tiles right from this place here. If you click, and it says hold to rearrange, so you can rearrange Wi-Fi in the middle. Let's see here. Okay, as you can see. And if you don't like, let's say if you don't like location, you can just hold it and delete it. So yeah, that's that. You can also add it later if you want to, but it's pretty nice. It's pretty fast way to edit these tiles. So let's go ahead into settings. Now, why I like CyanogenMod 13 is basically it gives us this very nice theme engine. So I'm using this Euphoria Dark CM13 theme by Blaze 11. So this is free on the Play Store, and I'm probably going to make a video talking about top 5 best teams. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And those teams will only work with CyanogenMod 13 ROM. Of course, those will be CM13 teams, not to work with any launcher or anything like that. So yeah, Team Engine works absolutely fine as long as you are using CM13 theme. Everything will work fine. I haven't seen any crashes on anything like that, but it seems like the frame rate of overall ROM is a little bit low. It's definitely not, feeling like it's not that much smooth. I mean, when I'm going out, in and out, and scrolling, so it's like a little bit of less frame rate, you can say. Definitely not feeling that much smooth, but you can't complain because it's a nightly. It's the first ever custom AOSP build for Galaxy S6, so you should consider yourself lucky, because this definitely means that we will see more and more custom ROMs for this phone, like we have on Nexus devices, for the Nexus devices. So let's see here. We get sounds option, so normal sound options that you can mess around with. You can also see that you have the access to this button to check out the multitasking area, or you can also hold down the home key to access the multitasking area like the old way. So that's also there. Double tapping will not going to do anything unless you assign something, so you can also assign camera to that. I'm just going to show you that. First of all, we will see here in display and light, we have this options, nice options. This double tap to display, double tap to sleep, so you can double tap the status bar to sleep. That is pretty nice. And you can see a little bit sluggish, but hopefully they will fix all this stuff. And you can see here expanded desktop, font size, battery life, one of the best features of the CM13 here. If I want to change the battery life from, let's see here, battery life from the red to, let's see, blue, you can see they're very nice. It's just magical. Wow. You can have it on green, pink, whatever color you want. So that is really nice. And then also font size, of course, you can properly adjust according to your eyes. So let's go ahead and check out notifications. So then again, first of all, we have this option, and it's called as heads up notification. Now when you are playing games or doing other stuff and you get notification, a message from someone, it just pops up, so you can just disable it if you don't really like it. Then we have some normal Android options there: lock screen, screen lock, smart lock, lock screen shortcuts. So you can also edit the lock screen shortcuts here. For example, currently it is set to, let's see here, phone dialer. So I can select any application. Wow. I can select any application, any game or anything I like. You can see here. Let's see if we can have Play Store. That would be nice. Then of course we have the good old camera there. So I'm just gonna go back, and that's also nice. And we have buttons. Buttons is a nice feature again. So of course we use Samsung TouchWiz UI. Basically, if you remember that we have this feature where we double press the home button to get a quick access to camera, which is called as quick launch. So that was a really nice feature on TouchWiz. While you can get that feature on the CyanogenMod 13 using these options here in buttons. So go into settings, then buttons, and you can see here if we check out, let's see, custom actions, for example, double tap action. So you can see under the home button we have some options there. So under the double tap action, I can just set it to from no action to launch camera. Let's see here. As you can see, it's now asking me to launch camera. Of course, I have to select any other in between these two applications. So I'm just going to select the cyanogenMod camera app, give it a permission, next. Can't connect to camera. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that camera is not working. Yes, camera is not working. I almost forgot, but you can see that you can do that quick launch thing on cyanogenMod 13. That's pretty awesome. So I mean, probably they're going to release a new nightly pretty soon where they will fix the camera. So then we have some VoIP buttons, custom actions like wake up device, playback control, ton of stuff there. I mean, I'm just loving it. And of course there's Marshmallow, so we get all those cool stuff like doze mode and all that. Some options related to status bar, like you can change the clock style from right to the center. Now you see the clock in the center, battery percentage hidden or inside the icon, brightness control, quick pull down, very nice. So yeah, like I said, it's a early build. You will see some bugs, like of course camera is not working, but Wi-Fi is working fine, Bluetooth is working fine. So definitely you can give this ROM a try. If you just want to taste how Marshmallow will look like on your Galaxy S6, definitely do it. But yeah, make sure you have a rooted S6, or otherwise it will not going to work. So I have a separate video tutorial for you guys where I showed you how you can install the this ROM here on your S6, on your S6 Edge. So the procedure is pretty much same. So yeah, do check out that link down below in the description box, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Please like it also, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.